So guys, at Party City, I just wanted to go in and show you guys what they have. They're one of the biggest party stores you can shop in the US. The other big party store is Oriental Trading. So you guys have to check out Oriental Trading. They have some awesome items at really great prices. So let me take you guys inside the store. We're not gonna go each and every item, but just for you guys to see a quick view of what Party City has. So we have this first lane. It's going to be for like party theme items like Hawaii beach items. Then they have the Halloween section, and then they have the character aisle where you can get characters from different movies. Then they have this aisle, the party aisle, where you can get plates and cutlery, everything for a party, table setting, table runners, and everything is color coordinated to suit your needs. Look at these silver, but it's plastic, but it's silver. They even have them rolled in the paper towel or the tissue. Ping pong balls. It's like when you come in here, you're in party heaven. Seriously. Things for entertaining, like all of these items you can use for when you're doing hors d'oeuvres and appetizers. Little bowls, little cups, so everyone can get their individual portion. They have the signs where you can write with chalk, so you can label your food so people will know what is the dish that is in front of them. So I really like those. Foil containers. Now these would be a little more pricier, but they come color coordinated, as you can see. Then we have all of the cups and more plates, more napkins, and from the ground go all the way up to the top. You can get your bachelorette and bachelor party items here also. Fun items for the kids. Here are their favors, buckets. So like if you're doing a party, a themed party, you can come and get all of the items for that theme. Little favors to give as gifts for your kids' parties. Your cake baking needs. Cake toppers, cake decoration, cupcake decoration, candles, many numbers, all the candies you can think of, cupcake liners, all of the decorations to match with it. Here we have the candy center where you can get different types of candies. These are 12 cents each. Here we have some more candy, and as you can see, everything is color coordinated, so you can find what you're looking for very easily.
Orange and black, so you'll get some of these here. This is what we'll do. Is we have party planners inside of Party City.
Okay, great.
Yes, so
and this is Daryl.
This is Daryl.
How are you?
He's the
Fine,
party
thank
planner
you.
for Davie store.
I'm the party planner for the Davie store. Come now to Party City Davie store and shop for your Halloween needs, your Thanksgiving needs, and all of your other Halloween and costume needs right now that you will be able to use throughout the year for next year as well.
Yay, and he's gonna assist you when you come here.
Exactly.
So if you need help, Just look for Daryl.
Look for Daryl.
Thank
The party
you.
planner. Take
Here
care.
we have some of the mini treat bags, and these come 10 in a pack for $7.49. They even come with the paper, the wrapper. These are bags actually. Oh, so these are snack bags or treat bags, and they come with the little metal thingamajiggy. I don't know what it's called. That's gonna wrap and keep the bag nice and closed. They have different styles, different sizes. They have these small ones. Oh, these are really cute. These are even nice if you're having weddings. These small bags are really nice to put your favors and the sweets or the treats that you're giving to your guests. Here we have some more party items like your 30th party, 70th party, different ages, whatever you're celebrating, they have it. And they have different styles and different colors. They even have the helium balloons, and they can fill all your balloons here for you. So you can order the balloons, they'll fill it, and then you can come back and pick it up. Here is our wall of balloons for you to choose from. They also have a variety of paperweights at the bottom to match with your balloons. Here we have the paper lanterns, the paper lantern garlands, and some more gift bags and wrapping paper on this aisle. Birthday card, greeting cards, your helium tank, and this is going to be the wedding aisle. Oh, they have this cute it's a girl or it's a boy, so if you're having a baby shower, you'll have that. So you get all of your items here for your baby shower and for your bridal shower and for the wedding. So you guys see how big this is? The last aisle in Party City, but it's really a really huge store. I love to shop here, and I love to shop at orientaltrading.com. So guys, make sure to check out Party City and check out Oriental Trading. This is really nice to put in your babies or on your baby's door. That's really cute. So guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, please leave me your comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.